I'm Isabella Jacobsen, and my business is Home to Heart Bakery. I'm currently a work-from-home bakery in Lincoln. My goal is to kind of give people a taste of home, I guess, especially when you're dealing with college students. Homesickness is a big thing, and I know that it was a big thing when I was my freshman year, and I used baking a lot to cope with the fact that I was 1,500 miles away from home. And so through making something I love, cinnamon rolls, I've gotten to kind of help other people feel more at home too, which I love. If you look too much at the mistakes you're making when baking, you're never going to want to do it again, because everyone makes mistakes. I still make mistakes all the time, but the more unwilling you are to make a mistake, the more mistakes you'll make. Kind of like life. The more afraid you are to fail in what you're doing in life, the more you might be opening yourself up to failure, I guess. That's how I like to put it. Alexa, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Second timer, 25 minutes, starting now.
From the time I was little, I've spent my entire life cooking in the kitchen with my grandma. And just spending time in the kitchen is something that always made me feel centered. And I wanted to use something I'm so passionate about to give people that feeling that I had. So in starting this, my entire mission has just been to make baked goods that make people feel like they're sitting at home with their mom or sitting in front of a fireplace with their grandma eating a warm cinnamon roll. I'm Isabella Jacobsen, owner of Home to Heart Bakery and an angler entrepreneur, and this is my why.